Peter Ogwang, the Minister of State for Sports, has urged the public to put girls at the forefront through ending gender-based discrimination, early marriages, a safe-free environment, and mentorship programs. This while Uganda joined the rest of the world to commemorate the International Day of the Girl Child.
It is also a day when we embark on a journey with the launch of the Africa Educate Hub. I want to repeat, it is a day when we embark on a journey with the launch of Africa Educate Hub campaign. This campaign represents our commitment to empowering and educating our girls, recognizing they are not just the future of Africa.
Violence against children in Uganda and globally has impacted negatively upon their well-being, and this has been done through physical, emotional, economical, and sexual torture.
The call to action, a promise that we as a continent will prioritize and invest in education and empowerment of our girls. We firmly believe that education is the key to breaking a cycle of poverty and gender inequality. It is a passport to better life, both for individuals, for our society as a whole.
On average, 60% or approximately 1 billion children between the ages of 2 and 14 are subjected to physical corporal punishments by their caregivers on a regular basis. Tabitha Subi from Raising Voices, a non-profit organization that fights violence against children, said this is a cause everyone should fight.
And what we heard from these children then, when we were starting this work, was overwhelming. That many children were experiencing violence, both boys and over 98% of children were experiencing physical violence, for example, and emotional violence, and over 75% were experiencing sexual violence. So, but when it comes to the issue of sexual violence, it's a bit gendered. You see that girls experience it more compared to the boys. And today, as we commemorate the International Day of the Girl Child, I want to join the rest of the world to celebrate girls. We understand that girl children go through a lot when it comes to violence against children, but also when it comes to some of the social norms in our society here in Uganda, that the gender norms that perpetuate or promote the use of violence against the girl.
Learners urged the government to put girls at the forefront by providing free sanitary pads to girls to allow them engage in co-curricular activities and increase their retention in schools. Students have varying opinion on the sticky issue of violence against children.
Someone important in this world, and no one is like you. You are special. You should know the values of yourself.
Thereby, if people are more friendly, then there's going to be less cases of what? Of violence itself. I mean, the one thing that can actually keep this violence out of the school is if we have more morally centered students.
Naguja Serena, Big Television.